this is where we're going to start doing as maths. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it sort of, I think 10 pixels is a bit too small, so I'm going to have it 20 pixels from the side there, I'm going to have it 20 pixels from there, and then I'm going to have it 20 pixels from that side there. So we need to change, if we're going to have it 20 pixels all around there, we need to change the size of our picture. So we know that our page is 1000 wide, and we want a margin this side of 20 and a margin this side of 20. So that means our shape needs to be 40 pixels less than the whole page size, which should make it 960. So if I type in 960, that gives us, it's not quite lined up yet, I'll just put it over there, but it gives us it's 20 pixels each side shorter than the page size. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to align it on the X. So we're going to set it, we're going to start looking at this corner here, because we're getting it up in this corner, but we're having 20 down and 20 across from it. So the X value is easy on this. So from 0 we want this corner here to be 20 pixels away from the 0. So that's quite easy, it's 20. And then that will also give you a margin of 20 that side, because we set as page size, the size of his image. So getting it horizontally, this is where you have to do your maths again. So if we look at that one, that one's 200 pixels high, which takes you to that corner. Then if we look at the bar, which we did at 10, so that's 210, and then we add on whatever we wanted margin to be, so we're having it at 20, so it needs to be 230 pixels on the Y, so 230. So that gives us then a nice equal margin of 20 all the way around there. Now, just to make it a little bit more difficult, let's do it against the bottom page, the bottom of the page. So I'm going to leave, we're going to have a 20 margin across the bottom there. So if I click the bottom left, I'm going to look at this corner here. So that means that we can keep that in the as the same value. We're just going to change the height, so it's just basically moving it down. So all we do then is we go from this side here, 1500, take away 50 from that, take away another 10 for that little bar, and then take away 20 for his margin that we're going to add in, so we're taking that from 1500, which takes us to 1420. So 1420. So that's then 20 pixels from the left, 20 pixels from the right, and 20 pixels from the light green bar there.